Hi, today let's make simple and easy carrot kheer. It's very simple to make. In a pan, add ghee, and once the ghee is heated, I am adding in almonds, chopped almonds. You can add the dry fruits of your choice. Once it turns slightly brown, take it aside and keep it aside. Now to the same pan, same ghee, add in the grated carrot and give it a good mix. Mix the carrot really very well till the color changes. Once the color changes, I'm adding in milk to it and give it a good mix till the carrot, milk, everything is evenly combined. Give it a really very good mix so that the raw smell goes, the carrot milk is evenly cooked. Next, let's what we can do is add in the rice paste. Here I've soaked the rice for around 30 minutes and then grinded it into a coarse paste, and then I've added it into the kheer. Give it a good mix. Here the rice, though it is coarse, it needs to be cooked, and it doesn't take a long time. It'll get cooked very well. See, it's so beautifully it's getting boiled, so this means the rice inside is getting cooked and the carrot is getting cooked as well. So the raw smell goes, everything is evenly combined. Now let's add in the cardamom powder. This is for the flavor and it gives a good taste to the rice kheer. Now I'm adding in milk made or condensed milk, you can say. If you don't have that, you can add in sugar, because I'm adding in the condensed milk because it gives a good creamy flavor to the rice kheer. Give it a good mix and let it come to a boil. Once it comes to the boil, add in the fried dry fruits, whichever you have fried previously. You can add in those now and give it a good mix. Let all the ingredients combine really very well, and then what you can do is serve it hot or cold. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and follow. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description box below. As always, don't forget to enjoy your food. Enjoy. Subscribe.